See that the cilantro. Hello everybody, today we are going to make Thuvaiyal, which is basically like a chutney that you can make with coriander. It's not like a chutney is little more syrupy and it's a little watery. Thuvaiyal is a little more thicker consistency, but it's got a much more better flavor than a chutney. So for this, we have garlic, onions, three small onions, and these are dry red chilies. So dry chilies, and I have curry leaf, one green chili, and these is tamarind, a normal tamarind that you could get in the grocery shop, and I have half a cup of sugar, half a cup of coconut, and we have coriander. Coriander. This is one bunch coriander, salt, and I have oil. I have around 3.5 spoons of oil. So heat a pan. Add the oil to it. On your ingredient, first you add the curry leaf and the red chili, one green chili, the 3 small onions. You don't have to cut any of this because we're going to grind it in the mixie. I have around 6 pulses of garlic. Then tamarind, if you make a ball of it, it's like a small lemon. This is your tamarind that you're going to add. Fry them all together. I would fry them until the garlic becomes a little brown, and then we're going to add the coconut to it. You see that the garlic is turning a little bit brown, and now I'm going to add my half a cup of coconut, shredded coconut, to this mixture. Fry it all together. If you do not like it very spicy, you can cut down on the dry chili. Red chili, dry chili gives it a little kick. So you can cut down on it. You can add just 2 of the red chilies and then just 1 or half a green chili. Or you don't have to add the green chili at all if your spice buds are not that great. So if you want it a little subtle, shut down on the chilies, because that's the only spice that we are adding to this entire dish. So if you can see that the coconut is actually a little brown, this is the right time to add a cilantro. So when you add a coriander cilantro, we just have to mix it like just for a minute or so and take it out of the pan. So this is how your coconut should look like. Okay, now I'm going to add the cilantro to it. Just 1 or 2 whisks will do it. We just have to reduce the greeniness of the cilantro and make it a little fried. The heat itself in the pan will cook the cilantro, so you can reduce the flame. Okay, now you can see that the cilantro is also cooked well. The volume has reduced really well. So all we have to do is to add a little bit of salt. I'm going to add a salt to the cooking itself, so I'll just add 3 to 4 pinches of salt. And once I start grinding it, I can add more if I need it, but I don't want to make it very salty. Okay, now it's ready to. Now we'll off the stove, cool this for some time, and then go ahead and add it to my mixie. So now I'm adding a little bit of water, just a little bit, because I told you that it's going to be a thick, pasty substance, so just a little bit will do. Now you can grind it in the mixie. I'm adding a little bit of water to it. My Thuvaiyal is all done. You can see that I've transferred it to a bowl. You can taste this recipe and let us know how it tastes. And if you like the dish, please click on like at the bottom and share it with your friends. And if you want to watch many more recipes, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.